Hello everyone, welcome to Kuumat Mathematics class. Today we are on third video, so please subscribe and hit the bell button for new updates about the new mathematics classes. So let us enter into the problem number 12. The table above shows some values of the functions f and g. And f and g are linear functions. Be careful with the word linear. Linear means having the degree of variable only 1. And what is the value of a minus b? Here is a and here is b. So we have to find the value of a and b at first so that we can find the value of a minus b. So we need to understand the function at first. And here x part is given and this is f x, means f x equals to, f x equals to it is also equivalent to y. So f x equals to y. So now what we have to understand is when x value is 4, then f4 equals to 5. That means f x equals to 5. So let us consider the fx function is cx plus d. If fx function is cx plus d, then what is f4 function? F4 function equal to x value is replaced by 4, so 4c plus d. This is our equation 1. Similarly, f4 value is 5. Sorry, this is not the equation 1. F4 value is 5. So 5 equals to, let us write that, 5 equals to 4c plus d. This we can consider equation 1. Now again, what will be similarly from this condition? What is f12 equals to? F12 equals to what happened? 12c plus d. But what is the value of f12? F12 value is 9 equals to 12c plus d. This is the equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2, what we get? Let us start here, put here 5 equals to 4c plus d. Subtracting, minus minus minus, d and d cancel. 9 minus 5 is 4 equals to 12 minus 8 is 4 is 8c. So what is the value of c then? C equals to, what we get? C equals to 4 by 8 equals to 1 by 2. Now replacing this value of c in any one of the equation, let us put in equation 2. 9 equal to 12 into 1 by 2 plus d. So 2 6 are 12. So that means 9 minus 6 equals to d, implies d equals to 3. Now we got the value of c also, we got the value of d also. So then what is our function fx is? Cx means 1 by 2. Cx means what? 1 by 2 x plus d means 3. Now this is our function. Now let us go to this part now. Then what is f4 equals to? Means f8 equals to, x is replaced by 8. Then what is f8 equals to? Cx plus d means 1 by 2 into x is replaced by 8 plus 3. So 2 4s are 8. So this equals to 4 plus 3 equals to f8 equals to 7. But what is the value of f8? f8 is a equals to 7. In this way we got a equals to 7. Now similarly for the function g, we can also go for function g. Any confusion here, then please you can stop, pause, and you can see this. I will do the part of g here now. I will do the part of g here. Similarly, in the similar manner, we can do the problem of g also. Okay, now let us see the function for gz. Similar as we done before. Now our consideration cz plus d. Accordingly, what we can get from here is z equal value is 5, means g5 equals to z replaced by 5 means here also 5c plus d. But what is the value of g5? G5 means 4. That is 4 equals to 5c plus d. This is equation 1. In the next information 20 and 7, what happened? G20 equals to 20c plus d. But value of G20 is 7. So 7 equals to 20 C plus D. Again, let us solve equation 1 and 2, means let us subtract here equation 1. 4 equals to 5C plus D. What we get on subtraction is D and D cancel. 7 minus 4 is 3 equals to 20 minus 5 is 15 C. So C equals to 3 by 15. So 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore C equals to how much we get? 1 by 5. If we put the value of C in equation 1, what we get? 4 equal to 5 into 1 by 5 plus D. That 5 cancel. So 4 minus 1 equal to D. That is D equals to 3. Then what is our function? Then GZ equals to is Cx, means C value is 1 by 5 x plus 3. But now see here 10, Z value is 10. That means G10 equals to what I mean? Z is replaced by 10. So 1 by 5, sorry, here should be Z. That is 1 by 5 into how much? Z value is 10 plus 3. That is 5 to the 10. That means G10 equals to 3 plus 2, 5. But G10 value is what? G10 value is B. So B equals to 5. We get the value of B equals to 5 from here. What we had got before? A equals to how much we have got? We have got A equals to 7. So A equals to 7 before we got. So what is the value of A minus B is 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Okay, now you can understand. Now see, it takes a long time for us to get the solution of this type of problem. So in the examination, most important thing is the concept that you have to build up to solve the problems. So in some problems you have to do it quick so that you can save the time for the problems which are longer like this. So our answer is 2. So now let us come to the option. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Okay, now question number 13 is altitude at the surface and lowest point for each of the Great Lakes. Here different measurement of the lakes, 5 different lakes is provided in the question. The depth of the lake is the difference between the altitude at the surface and at the lowest point of the lake. If the 5 lakes in the graph above were listed in order from the greatest depth to the least depth, which lake would be third in the list? Third means we need to understand out of 5 from any side, either from greatest or least. You can see here this is in 5 different things, means if you count from here 1 2 3 4 5, or if you give the opposite ranking also, these 3 should remain in the same place. This 3 means third will remain the same. There will be no change whatever order you will follow. So here superior lake from the sea level, above the sea level it is seen 600 feet, I think feet, and below the sea level it is 733, means the total depth of the lake superior is 600 plus 733. That is how much we get? 6 plus 7, 1333. Similarly, the another lake too that I have here given the lake ranking like one serial number. So 579 plus 307. It is negative, does not mean that you have to subtract. Here please be very careful. Negative means below the sea level they indicate as a negative. Above the sea level they use plus sign, and below the sea level they use negative sign. So 579 plus 344 means 4 plus 9 13, 4 plus 7 11 plus 1 12. So 5 plus 3 8 1 9 923. The next one is 579 plus 171 580 750. I think 1 plus 9 10, 7 plus 7 14 15, and 1 plus 5 6 1 7. The next one is I put subtraction sign. Why? Because the lowest point of the bottom of the lake is also above the sea level. So only the depth of the lake is this one. So this is the depth of the lake. So it should be 570 minus 360. That is how much? 570 minus 360 is 0. 7 minus 6 1, so 5 minus 3 is 210 feet. And the last one is 577 plus 245 is 5 plus 7 12, 4 plus 7 11 plus 1 12, and 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. Now you see in the third place which one is in the top. 1 3 3 3 first, in the second, and this is the third. This means what? This is 5. 5 means what is the name? What is the name of 5? Ontario. So where is Ontario? Ontario is in question number D. So D is our correct answer. Any confusion? Then please you can see it by replaying the video. Let us go to the next problem. Okay, now in this problem, in the figure above, x is greater than 90 degree. Here in the figure above, this should be greater than 90 degree. The question has mentioned very clearly that this is greater than 90. Greater than 90 means, let us assume 100. We need to make a very clear example on our brain. So let us suppose that this is 100, for example. 100 greater than 90 means 100. But y equal to z plus 1. If z is an integer, means it's not decimal like 1 2 3 4. The integer means the positive integer because it is value. What is the greatest possible value of y? Greatest possible, the maximum possible value of y is how much? So if x, we know that x plus y plus z equals to 180 degree, but it is greater than y. So sorry, greater than 90 degree means y plus z is equal to, if it is 100 it will be 80. That means y plus z is not equal to, less than, the maximum value greater than 90 means less than 90. But y equal to z plus 1. Z plus 1, let us find the value of y, means we, in terms of y we have to find. So we have given y equal to z plus 1. Z plus 1 we have provided to us. So from this equation what we get, in terms of y we are going to find, so we make it z alone. So y minus 1 equal to z. So from this part now, y plus z is less than 90. What we get? Y plus z is replaced by y minus 1 is less than 90. So y plus y 2y, and minus 1 goes another side, become plus 1, 90 plus 1 91. 2y is less than 91. Y is less than 45.5. Y should be less than 45.5 means what should be the maximum value of y? Maximum value of y in the option is, here you can see, y should be less than 45.5 means the maximum value can be 45. So option B is our correct answer. Okay, now let us see this question number 15. Molly is 64 inches tall. At 11 a.m. one day, her shadow is 16 inches long, and the shadow of a nearby tree is s inches long. In terms of s, what is the height in inches of the tree? We need to find in terms of s the height of the tree. So this problem can be done by two methods. One is height and distance method. This is the height and distance method that I have drawn. This is the Molly, 64 inch tall, and its shadow is here. So by the time, what is the angle of sun? Theta is given by angle of sun. So tan theta equal to P by B, that is 64 by 16, that is 4. So tan theta value is how much? Tan theta value is 4. You need to remember this. Now in the same time, if this is tree, if this is the height we need to find, this height. Then we need to find height means this is the shadow. Shadow is not x, it is s. Shadow is s. So tan theta equals to, for tree, height upon s, x replaced by s. Okay, s. So height is s. So tan theta value is 4. 4 equal to height upon s. So height equal to 4 into s, 4s. But this is our answer. The correct answer is here D, 4s. Now our correct answer we got. But instead of doing this lengthy process, if you know the ratio and proportion, if the height increases, in the same time the length of the shadow also increases. So this is the direct proportion. So directly we can write 64 upon what? Let us say this value is k. So 64 upon k equals to 16 upon s. So make k alone, that is cross multiply 64 s upon 16 equals to k. So 16 for the 64, so k equals to how much? 4s. From any method we can get 4s, the value of k is. So this is the solution of question number 15. Okay, this is for today. So please now hit the share, subscribe button and share this video if you like, and help your friends to get enrolled in the Kuumat BBA, KU BBA by passing the Kuumat examinations. So please hit the bell button to get the new updates. We will be coming with the new video as soon as possible. Thank you.